Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to untie a tie quickly and easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Once again, how to untie a tie quickly and easily, super fast and super easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get into this video instructional tutorial. Most of you that are watching this are probably going to have one of two knots on your tie, either a half Windsor or a full Windsor, okay? Or like a half Windsor or a full Windsor. The full Windsor is also sometimes called a double Windsor from what I remember. But anyways, you're probably gonna have one of the Windsor variants, okay? On the tie, one of the Windsor variations. Half Windsor, full Windsor. What I have here is a half Windsor. It's just a small knot. The full Windsor is going to look a little bit more, a little bit wider at the top and a little bit bigger. Now, both of these can be undone really easily and untied easily if they were tied in the proper way, the way that I think they should be tied. Okay, I don't know if there's a different way, but if they're tied in this way, they're really easy to undo, okay? So what you want to do is experiment, and one of these neck straps is going to loosen and tighten that tie. So look at this one. This one here loosens and tightens the area on the tie right here. So what we're going to do is this one over here that loosens and tightens it, I'm just going to pull this out completely, okay? You don't have to do it aggressively. You want to pull it out, but you know, you want to give it a decent pull, and when that is out, this knot over here, all that you got to do is pull it from the end. Look at that, done. It'll end up being twisted, but the knot is out. That's how to undo or untie a half Windsor. Now, what I'm going to do is just mock up a full Windsor, okay, or a double Windsor, whatever you want to call it. Just give me a quick moment over here. I'm just going to briefly tie up a full Windsor like this. I don't know if a full Windsor and double Windsor are different or not. I don't remember, but I just call them the same thing. But this is definitely, I know it's called a full Windsor. I've heard people refer to it as a double Windsor though. It could be a different knot. Same thing. I have a full Windsor. As you can see, a little bit more of an aggressive knot, a little bit of a wider knot. I just did a quick version of it. It's not the greatest. But once again, this one right here, this side right here, loosens and tightens the tie, okay? Very simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen it and then pull it out completely. Then I'm gonna go from, instead of holding the knot, I'm gonna hold the other end over here, pass the knot, and voila, look at that, all done. That's it. That is how to untie a tie quickly and easily. If there's another knot that you have where that doesn't work, then you're gonna have to go and you're gonna have to manually untie that knot. But most of the time, I've basically only seen these two knots used for like my whole life. There are a small percentage of people who tie their ties differently, but I would argue like high 90s in the percentage. So I don't want to say 99%, but like I would say like out of all the tie knots that I've ever seen, probably 98% of the ones that I've seen have been half Windsor or full Windsor. So yeah, that's how to untie it easily. Yeah, if you like this instructional video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs. It's like, you know when you go to a wedding, right? And you start off the night, you know, the tie's tied nicely, and then by the end of it, you're like this. Let's go, baby! You're dancing like this, you know. I have 4 young kids, so my days of my tie hanging on my head are long gone. But when I was younger, my younger days, by the end of the night, I had my tie hanging on my head. You know, we had it like this, wrapped around, whatever. You know, you're like, and you're just jamming out. But anyways, that's nostalgia for me. That's long gone. Like I said, I have 4 young kids, so you know, when I go to a wedding, I'm just excited for the great food nowadays, and the chance to sit down and just enjoy, you know, like I enjoy talking to other adults. You know, yeah. Anyways, that's it. That was a tangent. I'm sorry about that. That is how to untie a tie easily and quickly. Quickly means if you like this instructional video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And sorry, I should slow down. I'm going too fast here. Once again, that video tutorial was how to untie a tie quickly and easily. Really quick method for the 2 most common types of tie knots that you see. Step-by-step tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Sorry, you know, I'm really like, part of me is like redo the video, but part of me is like, no, I came this far, so I'm just gonna roll it out again really slow. I'm gonna calm myself down. We're gonna do this super calmly, okay? Just like this. We're gonna pretend we're calm at a wedding at the end of the night in my younger days, okay? So we're gonna just do this like this, okay? If you like this instructional video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice, big, awesome thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.